Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you been battling acne and looking for a solution that's effective yet gentle on your skin? Well, today we're talking about the Proactiv MD 3-step routine, a powerful acne treatment kit designed to help clear your skin without causing irritation. If you're tired of dealing with breakouts and searching for something that works long-term, this may just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss one of my honest beauty reviews. Let's start by taking a closer look at what's inside this kit. The Proactiv MD 3-step routine includes 3 key products: an ultra-gentle face cleanser, a 0.1% Adapalene gel treatment, and an ultra-hydrating moisturizer. Each product is formulated with acne-fighting ingredients while being gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. The face cleanser is enriched with green tea, known for its calming and antioxidant properties. This gentle formula cleanses the skin without stripping it of essential moisture, which is crucial for acne-prone skin. It works effectively to remove dirt, oil, and impurities, leaving your skin feeling fresh and clean, but not tight or dry. Next, the Adapalene gel treatment is where the magic happens. With 0.1% Adapalene, a retinoid derivative, it helps treat and prevent acne by unclogging pores and reducing inflammation. It's not just a pimple cream. It's designed to work deep within the skin to prevent future breakouts, blackheads, whiteheads, and clogged pores. For anyone who's been using over-the-counter acne treatments without much success, Adapalene offers a more powerful alternative. And lastly, we have the Ultra-Hydrating Moisturizer. If you have acne-prone skin, you know that moisturizing is just as important as treating the breakouts. This moisturizer is designed to restore your skin's moisture barrier, reduce redness, and keep your skin hydrated without clogging pores. It's a great addition for those who might have tried other acne treatments that left their skin feeling dry or irritated. Now let's talk about my experience using this kit. The cleanser was gentle yet effective, and I appreciated how it didn't leave my skin feeling stripped after cleansing, which can sometimes happen with acne products. The Adapalene gel treatment is something I was a little cautious about at first, since it's a retinoid, but it was surprisingly gentle. I did experience a slight tingling sensation after applying it, but that's completely normal and just a sign that it's working. After a few weeks of consistent use, I noticed a reduction in the number of breakouts, and my skin felt smoother overall. The moisturizer was a dream, lightweight but incredibly hydrating. It balanced out the treatment, keeping my skin from feeling overly dry or irritated. Now let's get into the pros and cons. The pros are clear. The cleanser is gentle, making it ideal for sensitive skin. The Adapalene gel treatment is highly effective at preventing and treating acne. The moisturizer is hydrating, soothing, and doesn't clog pores, which is key for acne-prone skin. It's a 3-step system, so it's easy to incorporate into your daily routine. On the flip side, there are a couple of things to consider. If you have very dry skin, you might find the treatment a bit drying, but that's where the moisturizer comes in to help. The price point is on the higher end for an acne treatment kit, so if you're on a budget, this might be something to keep in mind. But in terms of value for money, I think this kit is a great investment if you've been struggling with acne for a while and haven't found something that works. The fact that it includes both the treatment and the hydrating elements means you're addressing both the cause of acne and the need for moisture, which isn't always the case with acne treatments. If you're looking for alternatives that might be more affordable, some drugstore brands offer similar active ingredients, like salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide, but they may not have the same comprehensive system as Proactiv MD. However, if you're willing to spend a bit more for a system that's dermatologist approved, this one is certainly worth considering. As for customer service, I've heard Proactiv's team is quite responsive, though I didn't personally need to reach out. They're known for being helpful and addressing any concerns promptly, which is always a plus when dealing with skincare brands. To wrap it up, the Proactiv MD 3-step routine is a solid option for anyone looking to clear their skin without causing irritation. It targets acne at its source with the powerful Adapalene treatment while keeping your skin hydrated and balanced. If you have sensitive skin or have tried other acne products that didn't work, this could be a great solution. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss an honest beauty review from Beautyistic. And if you're interested in the Proactiv MD kit, you can find the link to purchase in the comments below. Have you tried this acne treatment kit? Drop a comment and let me know how it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.